If you hear that noise, I'm just cooking some food.
So we are here again, and we want to try making slime on our own again. But this time, we're not going to use as much liquids as we did last time. And I'm sorry about the glitching.
Yeah.
So we're going to use more...
Like solids than liquids.
And see how that works this time.
Yeah. Let's get started. We'll see you when we have all the ingredients. Okay, we're back. We just need to get a bowl. My hair is so messy. She's just getting a bowl.
Get
Get the soup one.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay. So we got a bowl. Sorry if I'm eating during this video. We have this Baker's Choice.
We're using breadcrumbs.
We have food,
ground sage, lemon and herb, and ground ginger.
And baking soda.
That's not baking soda, that's vanilla extract.
Same thing.
Then we could also use some Dawn soap if we really need it.
Yeah. Okay.
Dawn soap's an if, by the way. So the breadcrumbs are our main ingredient. Remember that. So let's put all the solids in first. That might help.
Yeah.
It does that a lot.
That's enough.
It's not enough. I got the solution.
No. It's because there's too many chunks. So it's stuck.
No. We'll put in some more later. Now let's put it in the...
I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
Let's get some water. I think that'll help. Yeah, we're getting water.
No, Dawn soap.
Dawn soap. So we're going to be using Dawn soap apparently.
Dawn soap? You mean Dawn soap?
I said Dawn soap.
That's enough. So I'm mixing that together.
I think we should put water in there.
No, that's too much liquid.
You're making me hungry now.
Sorry. You ate stuff.
I got my food. I could have sworn I put more in here.
Maybe you ate some.
I didn't eat any. First.
A little more liquid. Shake it.
I'm shaking it, see? Bruh. I think you need the other one.
No, that one's all empty.
Good.
Mm-hmm. I felt it.
Let's try it. Did anything come out?
Oh. What? Guys, what did she do?
What? That chicken looks good. That looks like a failure. So apparently it was an epic fail.
Yeah, so we're gonna put this stuff back. Here's a little baby. Little baby here. Hi, guys. Say hi.
He's like, no.
You don't normally say hi.
So that's cleaned up.
So we're gonna wait for a few minutes until they get back in. So they were like, what the heck did you do? This is what we're eating.
Okay guys, we are back and we are going to do a second attempt on trying to put more dry stuff than liquids.
Yeah, so we're gonna try one liquid.
No, we're gonna try one more recipe. So we're gonna try one more attempt and we will be done.
I said we're gonna try one more liquid.
Oh, one more liquid?
No, I mean like one liquid.
But that might not be enough.
Dawn soap.
So we are going to get the ingredients and we will be right back.
Hey guys, we're back. So we gotta be quiet because there's a baby sleeping. I told her something real quick. So we're gonna get started, right?
So we're gonna put the Dawn soap in first.
Oh, okay.
So we have
Dawn soap. Whatever this is.
Dawn soap in it. Gonna start. Oh, thankfully. I got this. You can show it.
So we have this stuff.
1 teaspoon.
Old Bay.
1 tablespoon of
Dawn soap.
1 tablespoon.
We're using this again.
Go get a spoon. And we are using this stuff. Don't know how to pronounce that.
That
We're
stuff.
using
That stuff. Chicken rub. So we're using some chicken rub and
cumin.
so we're gonna go from over here. I mix. And you add in the stuff. So we're going this way, okay, Shannon? This one to this one to that one, Okay.
Take that.
We can.
So we're gonna start putting in some of the seasonings that we told you.
So this is only gonna be one liquid.
That looks disgusting already.
And I will help add some of this, okay? Oh well, cares. So we're using some chicken rub.
Yeah.
Just used to. Okay. Starting not to clump up yet.
Let's put some of this in.
Oh, so you want to stop? didn't do that. She won't notice because she never uses that.
It's like she goes to use it the next time she goes.
Seriously? Where'd it go?
Totally did not use it for something. Totally did not say that. Totally did not do anything. And we are done putting in the ingredients. She's just getting 1 more tablespoon of Dawn soap.
We ran out.
I kind of noticed. So she is mixing. I am going to start putting this stuff in our spaghetti so that we don't get caught with all these seasonings out.
We need another liquid.
Water?
Yeah. Oh, this looks like poop.
So we are starting to clean up so we don't get in trouble. But she doesn't get in trouble, definitely. Because we're not supposed to be doing this. Savannah, it's still warm here.
What?
It's still warm here.
Okay, that's enough.
We're not using any more Dawn soap because we kind of ran out.
Yeah. So we're just mixing this. So this is not turning into slime. Let's get our hands in it. Grab a piece.
Oh.
Shannon, dude, it's for YouTube.
I'm just going to take it off.
Like, it's moldable. You see, guys, it's moldable. Let's see if I can make it into a ball.
I'm trying to do that right now.
I got it into a ball.
Oh my goodness, look at my hand.
Yeah, mine too. Let's grab more. Smells disgusting.
So don't smell this.
Yeah, but you have to smell it because it's like going through the air. You know, Shannon?
Mm-hmm. I don't think I'm going to be doing this anymore. I don't want my hands to get all dirty. She's making a big mess.
No, I'm not.
Look at her hand compared to mine. Yeah, see, she's making a big mess.
So I'm going to wash my hands off.
I'm going to stop doing it.
You're seeing your hands.
No, it's not.
Totally not.
Don't do that.
Oh my god, my hands are yellow. So
That did not work, and we are going to end this video
right here.
So,
And we're going to make another video today,
so we will see you in the next video. Bye!